In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make your workspace private in Trello. As you may know, Trello is a fantastic tool for organizing projects, but sometimes you need a bit more privacy when it comes to managing sensitive tasks or confidential information. So let's dive right in and explore how you can secure your workspace effectively. First things first, you're going to want to head over to your Trello board. If you're not already on your board, you can access it by logging into Trello and navigating to the specific board you wish to make private. Just a quick reminder, make sure you're logged into your Trello account to have access to your boards. Once there, take a moment to ensure this is the board you want to change the visibility for. You wouldn't want to make the switch only to find it's the wrong board later on. Once you're on your board, you should notice three little dots, usually located in the top right corner of your screen. These dots are essentially a menu that gives you access to more options related to managing your board. Go ahead and click on these dots. This will open up a menu that provides you with an array of options. If you ever struggle to find these, just remember, they're easily spotted in the same area where your board settings generally reside. In the drop-down menu that appears after clicking these dots, you'll find an option labeled Visibility. Selecting this is your next step. What you are doing here is essentially instructing Trello that you want to change how your current board can be accessed or viewed by others. The visibility setting determines whether your board is public, team visible, or private. Once you click on visibility, you should see various visibility options, one of which is private. Go ahead and select this option. Setting your board to private is a crucial step if you are handling sensitive information or just need to keep your work restricted to specific people. This ensures that only explicitly invited team members can access the board. Neither outsiders nor anyone not invited will have the ability to see or interact with it. And there you have it, a simple yet effective way to secure your workspace on Trello. By following these steps, you've ensured that your projects stay under wraps and away from prying eyes. Remember, you can switch these settings anytime, so if you need to change the visibility back for any reason, you can do so easily by revisiting the same menu. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, be sure to subscribe and keep an eye out for more tips and tricks for managing your projects efficiently. Until next time, happy organizing.